Hey, this is Kevin. We are back in the project cave. It has been a while. A new cavelet has kept me awake and kept me away from the cave. Now we're back. We're going to get some more content going. And our first project is this beach shade. We picked this up before we went on vacation and it worked great. Kept the little girl out of the sun. However, the second or third day we were there, as I was taking it apart, two grommets pulled out of one out of each tail that looks like this. Those grommets keep the fiberglass rod that helps the shade keep its shape from sliding all the way through. Without those grommets, it doesn't hold quite as well. So I've got a grommet kit, and I'm going to show you how to replace the grommets in this shade. Works the same with fabric, and it is a great little tool and skill to have. So the grommet kit has this cutter, which basically you just hammer on. Little grommet pieces, one has a shank on it, the other is flatter, and they're going to go together. And then you have this other tool. You got a base here that you put your shank side on, you put your fabric over it, put the top piece on, then you put the flaring tool on top of that, you give it a few whacks, and your grommet is set. So let's get to it. First I pull my piece of fabric over. I take the cutting tool. You can tell which side to hit because the side that you're going to hit is solid and the side that's going to cut is got a tapered inside edge. So we're going to put that over our fabric where we want to cut our new hole, and we're just going to give it a couple whacks. In this case it's just widening out the hole a little bit. Put that aside. We take the base of our grommet tool, put that down. You take the shank piece. That is the one that has the little shaft on it. You're going to put that on the base, shank side up. Then you will take your piece of fabric, put it over the grommet. You take the other piece, pop that over the shank. Then you take the flaring tool and put the nub of the flaring tool into the grommet, and then you're just going to give it a few whacks. Alright, this rod is not going anywhere once this thing is back in service next season, and now you know how easy it is to install a grommet. Heck, you even get to take out a little aggression with the hammer. So it works the same with any kind of fabric. The real key is you don't want to put it right next to the edge if possible. And also, if you can, make sure you're going through multiple layers of the fabric. More material helps the grommet hold better and not tear out quite as easy. If you want to purchase these kits, they're available at any big box store, or you can help my channel out by purchasing through one of the links I left below. If you really want to help this channel out, subscribe to it, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hit that like button. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.